Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to walk you through how to create a TikTok Shop affiliate account. With TikTok's massive user base, this is a fantastic way to earn extra income by promoting products you love. Whether you're a budding creator or just curious about affiliate marketing, this step-by-step guide will get you started quickly and easily. First off, make sure you have a TikTok account that's at least a few weeks old and has some activity, like followers or videos. This boosts your chances of getting approved. If you don't have one, download the app and sign up. It's free and straightforward. Step 1. Open the TikTok app and log in to your account. Once you're in, head to the TikTok Shop section. You can find it by tapping the shopping bag icon at the bottom or searching for TikTok Shop in the app. Step 2. In TikTok Shop, look for the Affiliate Program or Creator Center option. This is usually accessible from your profile or the main menu. Click on it to start the application process. Step 3. You'll be prompted to apply for the affiliate program. Fill out the form with your basic details, like your name, email, address, and payment information, such as linking a PayPal account for commissions. Step 4. Review your application for accuracy, then submit it. TikTok will review your request, which typically takes 7 to 14 days. While you wait, focus on creating engaging content to strengthen your profile. Once approved, you can browse products in TikTok Shop and start promoting them in your videos. Remember, always disclose your affiliate links to stay compliant and build trust with your audience. It's that simple. A quick tip: engage with TikTok's community guidelines to avoid any issues. If you follow these steps, you'll be on your way to earning commissions in no time. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have questions.